Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what's in this box, and that's because it was sent by Frankie and Bird. I don't know why you guys wouldn't be subscribed to Birdshot 4, or as some people say, Birdshot IV, however you want to say it. If you're not subscribed, you should be. Got countless hours of entertainment out of their channel, and they're awesome people. So check them out. Thank you so much, Frankie and Bird, for saying this. This was something that I have had interest in for years. I've never handled one, and it's been a knife that has been, hailed as kind of this like standalone thing in the ZT line. And some people say it even defines ZT's greatest peak as like kind of when they were the mega overbuilt, tactical, crazy, types of knives out there. But for that reason, just because of the intrigue and the aura surrounding it, I really wanted to get my hands on it. So anyways, thanks again, Frankie and Bird, for making that possible. Thank you also to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and some other benefits, there is, of course, a link down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this box. Just sort of do my usual thing here with the extremely sharp and definitely doesn't need to be sharpened scalpel. I know it does. Okay, here we go. Oh, some more stickers. Thank you. Thank you. I only had two, so that two more is great. I'll definitely find a use for those. Thank you so much. Oh, wait. There's more. There's more. Hang on. And there's even, is there a note in here? Oh, yeah, awesome. I've got three. So cool. Building up a collection here. We're going to leave these guys out here for the remainder of the video. And I'm going to slowly, here, oh boy, here we go. First time. Oh my God. I was preparing myself for this thing to be a beast. But I honestly, I had no idea. Oh man, the sound of it is so, wow, it's so different. It's got that, yeah, it's got that odd lock that I felt. The first time I felt that was in the Orbit. So this is a, whoops, gotta get used to that. This is the MUDD, or actually the number here, the 0500 G&G Hawk. It's got the, I believe, the Hawk lock on it. See, the variant that I handled was, it kind of had like an axis. It seemed like an axis, like it wasn't. It was, I imagine, around the same type of mechanism as what this switch is doing in here. But we'll get all the details when I do the review. A lot of people get on me. They're like, you should know this before you do a review. This is an unboxing, which means I've never handled it before. I don't know anything about it. I'm just reacting to it organically. But this is super cool. No, you cannot get this anymore. I know people get upset with me. Like, why do you show us stuff we can't get? Because it's entertaining. This channel would be boring if all I did was show, like, here's the next thing you can buy. I like looking at stuff from the past sometimes too, This is wild, man. Crazy. So the idea behind the lock, as far as I understand it, is it's incredibly durable, but they do a great job of going, they go above and beyond in terms of like the locking mechanism keeping debris out of the pivots. Like you can really get this thing nasty and dirty. And what I hear is that it will just continue to function. Wild. There's nothing else in the ZT line that looks like this. This is, of course, based on a custom from G&G Hawk. But there's nothing else in the ZT line like this. And honestly, I've never seen anything else in the knife world that looks quite like this. This is what absolutely feels like, the time where ZT was just big and robust and meaty. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely cool. Big, thick pieces of G10 on top of, I'm guessing, this is steel, but what's this area under here? Another layer of G10, so shadow boxed. And then, like this area in here is just impenetrable in terms of debris. It looks like that anyways. But yeah, the lock is absolutely solid. They've been using this. I told them that's fine. It's going to be kind of hard for me to track one down that hasn't been used at this point, Interesting pocket clip, very deep. It goes all the way over to the other side. I imagine that, yeah, it can be switched. And that's pretty cool. A little standoff back there. Doesn't look like there's any milling on the inside. This is a big, thick, heavy beast of a knife. And it looks like you probably need a special tool to get into the pivot. Though, I mean, if this were mine, honestly, I don't know that I'd ever really need to get in there, right? It's like the centering's okay. Not going to judge it too hard because this knife has been around for a while. When these came out, it was quite a while ago. So anyways, that is super cool. I cannot wait to look at that. I'm just realizing I'm wearing a yellow shirt, so when I do this, it reflects in the, the cutting edge. Anyways, thank you so much, Frankie and Bird, for sending this. Go subscribe to Birdshot 4. Please, they're awesome, very, very entertaining. I've really enjoyed interacting with them on Instagram and just getting to know them just a little bit. So, anyways, guys, be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. And by the way, I will be linking ZT knives in general down below that you actually can buy. If you're interested in picking up a ZT knife, or if you've never heard of the brand or whatever, you can pick up ZT knives that are actually available down in the description. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.